Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a balanced mix of fresh and powdered greens. Use 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 cup fresh kale, and 1/4 cup parsley for a balanced base. Add 2 tablespoons wheatgrass powder and 1 tablespoon spirulina for concentrated nutrients and deep green color. Include 1/4 cup dried chlorella or powdered moringa to boost protein and chlorophyll. For flavor and absorption, stir in 1 teaspoon powdered ginger and 1 tablespoon powdered lemon peel. Adjust to taste and dietary needs. Trim stems, rinse, and pat dry. Then dehydrate fresh greens at 115 degrees F for 6 to 8 hours until they are brittle and shatter when bent. If using an oven, set the lowest temperature around 170 degrees F and prop the door open slightly to simulate low heat dehydration. Once dry, pulse leaves in a high-speed blender for 30 seconds per batch, scraping sides between pulses until fine. Sieve the powder through a 0.5 mm mesh to remove fibrous bits. Transfer the finished powder into an airtight glass jar, label with date, and store in a cool, dark place. Properly stored, it lasts up to 6 months. A typical serving is 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 3 to 5 grams per teaspoon, and you can start with 1 teaspoon daily to assess tolerance. Mix the powder into 8 ounces of water or juice, blend into smoothies, or stir into soups and dressings for an easy nutrient boost, without changing texture significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.